Hello subscriber, my dear students. Hope you are doing good in this pandemic. I have created this channel to discuss the various topics of commerce in a very precise way. Hope you learn from it. Let's start. Hello dear subscribers and my dear students. Today my topic of discussion, as you can see, is cost based pricing under pricing methods. Me সকলকে জানো যে price is the most important factor for determining the quality and quantity of a product, and company use various methods and strategy to place the price in such a way that customer cannot reject the product on the basis of price. Company কি করে আজিকালি আমার কাস্টমাৰৰ needs, wants and preference to গম পায়, and they prepare the pricing strategies through this pricing method in such a way that we cannot ignore the product only on the based on the price. আৰু প্ৰাইচৰ কোম্পানীৰ কি থাকে, সেলিং প্ৰাইচটোৰ লগত কি থাকে, কোম্পানীৰ টোটাল কষ্ট আৰু প্ৰফিটটো ইনক্লুড হৈ থাকে. সো দ্যাট উই উইল ডিসকাস টুডে থ্ৰু কষ্ট বেসড প্রাইসিং. সো লেটস স্টার্ট. So here you can see cost based pricing is also known as markup pricing also. Okay, the main idea or the concept is that it is a method to set the price of the goods or service based on the cost. মানে ইয়াতে প্রাইসটো আমি কিহৰ ওপৰত কৰিম, on the basis of cost. The actual formula is this: a percentage of total cost is added to the cost itself to get the selling price. মানে total cost ওপৰত আমি কিবা এখন percentage আমি লগাই দিম to get the selling price. আমি এক্সাম্পলটো কেনেকৈ দিলোঁ, suppose of a cost based pricing, suppose total price or the cost of a mobile phone is 5,000 rupees. আৰু ইয়াতে আমাৰ কি কৈছে, পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ অফ টোটেল কষ্টৰ আমি কিবাখন এড কৰিম. ছাপ'জ হেয়াৰ দ্য প্ৰডিউচাৰ অৰ দ্য মেনুফেকচাৰাৰ হেজ এডেড 20% অফ প্ৰফিট অন কষ্ট. আমাৰ 5,000ৰ ওপৰত কি কৰিছে, তেওঁলোকে 20% আমাৰ কষ্ট এখন ধৰি দিছে, প্ৰফিট ধৰি দিছে. তো চেলিং প্ৰাইচ কেনেকৈ হ'ব, তো 5,000ৰ 20% 1,000 হয়, 1,000 প্লাছ 5,000 আমাৰ চেলিং প্ৰাইচটো কিমান, 6,000 rupees. That means 5,000 plus 1,000 rupees. This 1,000 rupees is profit. So we are not concerned about the profit, but here this price is known as cost based pricing because a percentage of total cost is added to the cost itself to get the selling price. আমি এতিয়া types to লৈকে আহোঁ, কিন্তু it is said that cost based pricing is the easiest way what a product should price at. Okay, it is the easiest way because আমার product কিমান price লব আমি through cost based pricing আমি fit কৰিব পাৰিম. Now cost based pricing এর প্রথম তো টাইপ হৈ গল cost plus pricing. What happen here is the firm calculate the cost of production and adds the percentage of profit to the price given by the selling price. Okay, and most importantly cost plus pricing method is used by companies to maximize profit. আমি যদি টোটাল কষ্ট গম পাওঁ, তাৰ ওপৰত যদি কিবা এখন পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ আমি এড কৰি দিওঁ, সেইটোৱে আমাৰ প্ৰফিট হয়. ইয়েছ, সেইকাৰণে ইয়াত চোৱা কি লিখিছে, কষ্ট প্লাছ প্ৰাইচিং. আমি আগতীয়াকৈ কষ্টটো গম পাওঁ, তাৰ লগত কিবা এখন পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ আমি এড কৰি দিলে সেই পাৰ্চেণ্টেজটো আমাৰ প্ৰফিট হয়. এণ্ড দিছ মেথড, কষ্ট প্লাছ প্ৰাইচিং মেথড, ইজ ইজি টু কেলকুলেট উইথ লিটিল ইনফৰমেশ্যন ৰিকুৱাৰ্ড. চ' উইল ডিছকাছ দ্য ভেৰিয়াছ টাইপছ অফ কষ্ট বেছড প্ৰাইচিং নাও. So the next one we have markup pricing. Now what is markup pricing? In order to apply for markup pricing, the company must determine the cost of product and decide on the amount of profit to be earned over and above it, and then add that much to the markup cost. যদি আমি simple আমি বুজিব বিচাৰো what is markup cost, markup is the difference between how much you spend on an item and the difference is that how much you spend on an item and how much more you are reselling it. Okay, মানে markup is the difference between how much you spend on an item but minus how much more you are selling for it. Okay, আমি এখন এক্সাম্পল দি এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন কৰিলে তোমালোকে ভালকৈ বুজি পাবা. ৰবা, so this is the formula. Markup is equal to revenue minus cost of goods sold divided by cost of goods sold into 100. Suppose আমি এখন চেয়ার we have purchased we are selling a chair for rupees 400. Suppose we are selling a chair for rupees 400, কিন্তু আমার cost while preparing the chair, আমি যে চেয়ারটো বনাই আসলে আমার 250 rupees খরচা হয়েছিল, ঠিক আছে আমি কিমানত বিক্রি কৰি আছো 400 ৰ বিক্রি কৰি আছো now we'll determine the markup cost how we'll determine the markup cost so what is the revenue is 400 rupees what is the cost is 250 rupees again what is the cost of goods sold 250 rupees into 100 so here it comes to 150 rupees divided by 250 rupees into 100 so it comes to around 60% so this 60% is my markup okay markup cost okay that means we sell the chair for 60% more than what you have paid for so this is known as markup pricing. So the next one we have the break-even pricing. Break-even pricing means where there is no profit and no loss. Okay, the price is the point at which no profit or no loss. And this is one of the most important strategy for setting price at which the business will earn zero profit or zero loss. মানে কি হয় না loss হয়েছে না profit হয়েছে it is in the middle. This is the most important strategy আৰু আজিৰ দিনত company এইটো strategy use কৰে because to gain the market share okay there are some TV companies you know that big screen TV at very short price at first the people were আগতে ইমান ডাঙৰ TV screen ইমান কম দামত দি আছিল মানুহে প্ৰথমে লোৱা নাছিল এজন দুজন মানুহে লোৱাৰ লগে লগে now they are in the every household such kind of TVs are there smart TVs yes you pay very less but you get a very big screen TV yes they are using at first they are using this break-even point analysis but once they have acquired the entire market now they are increasing their prices of the product so break-even point is another strategy of cost-based pricing so let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages. So here we have the advantages that it ensures the enterprise to generate the profit. Secondly, it is a simple to understand and easy to apply. Third, it covers all production cost and overhead cost into the price. And most importantly, it helps in generating a consistent margin. I mean margin to hoday gom pai thakin je iman toka hole ami iman product logot iman percentage add korle ami iman profit pam. As you know that every advantage is there we have disadvantages of this cost based pricing disadvantages does not encourage to control the cost sometimes it ignores the customer importance most importantly demand and competition are ignored while keeping the price because the most focus is profit yes we keep the percentage of profit there and it does not take the opportunity cost of investment so here we have discussed today about cost based pricing hope you have learned a lot thank you for watching stay safe.